Dalton Harris said that he was on the verge of committing suicide. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Dalton Harris is a singer, songwriter, and he created history when he won the 2010 Digital Rising Star competition in Jamaica. Also, fast forward to the year 2018 and he was crowned UK X Factor winner. When we return, we'll have the details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this break. Hi again, and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scope. Please remember, just like, share, subscribe to our channel so you're notified whenever we post these wonderful videos. Shocking revelation from X Factor winner Dalton Harris after it was revealed that he was contemplating suicide. And if you have been following the story behind Dalton Harris and his musical career, you would have seen it propel him into becoming the winner of X Factor 2018. And his life was marred with so much troubled relationship with his family, and even his upbringing was a cause for concern. And he shared these moments on different interview that he did, telling people about how he was struggling while growing up and how difficult it was for him as a child in order to progress in school and just to try to live the normal life that every child dreams of. Now, this revelation came just less than 24 hours ago, and Dalton Harris made a post on his social media platform. Now, we're about to share that with you, plus what he has been up to since he became X Factor winner 2018. So, recently Dalton Harris made a post on his social media platform which has sparked much controversy as it surrounds to his mental well-being and also his state of being comfortable as an individual and as a superstar. So we want to share that with you right now on this platform, Links 007 TV. So this was the post that had many of Dalton Harris fans very concerned as it relates to his state and his well-being in the last 24 hours, and I'm gonna bring in that post up on screen now for you. The post states, I want to be happy and truly smile. I ended a relationship that was the big thing that happened to me and that taught me so many things. Taught me that I am valuable and that I matter and deserve love. Thank you, Eol. I love you forever, he made in an emotional post on his social media platform. That soon followed another emotional post from the X Factor winner 2018, which has sparked many concern as it relates to whether or not he is fine. So this was another post made by him soon after. I had a deep realization last night. The only reason I didn't take my life today is because I spoke with God and I decided to make the biggest change I will have ever make in my life. I want to live my life not running away from pain inflicted on me or the pain inflicted on anyone. So that was an emotional post made by Dalton Harris, and these two posts were made consecutively behind each other on his social media platform. Now this has sparked many concern as it relates to what he's going through and what he might be stating in these posts on social media. So a number of people have been speculating online as it relates to what he might be going through, and we're just going to divulge some details of what is out there on social media as it relates to this. But as you know, Dalton Harris had a troubled past and he has spoken openly about it on many interviews that he did. And I believe that Dalton Harris is one of the greatest singers that I've ever come across in such a long while. He's very talented, he's very vocal, and his vocal depth is just so huge. I just hope that he does try his very best just to think outside the box and just don't let what he's going through get the better of him. I just hope that he does contemplate different things and think about the music, think about his fans right across the world that is looking for greatness from him to come. And I hope that he, whatever he's going through, that he's able to just cope with it, and that what he's going through don't get the better of him, because as he stated in this post, he was thinking about committing suicide, and he spoke to the Lord about it, and he has changed his life based on this. So I'm just hoping that he just continue to just press forward in his music and just try his best to remain positive, because he has a whole lot of fans out there who is looking for him to become one of the greatest singers to date, and he has so far cemented himself as a local and also an international star of the great music. So we just want to just wish him all the best in his endeavors, and I know that what he's going through might be difficult, but we just want to implore him just to remain strong and just focus his life on a positive path, and just try his very best to just think outside what is going on and just think about the people that around the world that look up to him as a superstar. Just 24 hours ago, Dalton Harris was on the brink of committing suicide according to him, and he spoke to God and made the biggest change in his life that caused him to change from doing this. Dalton Harris is well known for his participation in the Jamaica biggest singing competition, the Digital Rising Star, which he won back in 2020. For his win, he also developed the courage in order to venture onto the Britain X Factor competition, which he won back in 2018 as well. The singer is 26 years old, and he made the post on his Twitter account, which have touched fans right across the world. And it's just a cause for concern for many right now, that people right across the world are becoming worried about the post he made and are very concerned and hoping that he don't do anything foolish with his life. Dalton Harris in the post stated that God gave him the deepest realization, which allowed him to change from committing the act of suicide, and he has changed his life right now, and he is one of the greatest star right now to date, and we're just hoping that he just continue on the path and just continue to just do what he's doing, and we hope that he will just think otherwise and don't let what he's going through does get the better of him. Since winning the X Factor competition, Dalton Harris has released a solo song entitled Cry. However, it seems as if he has not realized that his true musical talent still lies within him, and that he really needs to put more into what he's doing, as he has the fans captivated right across the world. But it's very sad to see what he's going through at this time, and we just hope that he do find the courage in order to cope during this difficult time. But we'll continue to follow this story and try to make a link with him as soon as possible, and we'll update you as it relates to what he's going through during this time as he heals from his predicament and what had led him down that path, even to thinking of taking his own life. We'll continue to follow this story. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and guess what? We're out for another one. Peace out. Bless.